Namaste student. I JVN Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the business interruptions insurance. In this subjects our topic, and so let us start the topic business interruptions insurance. The business interruptions insurance policies are types of insurance and that is the initially and applicable to companies and that require a physical locations to do business and such as the retail and stores or manufacturing facilities and business interactions and insurance component states a business for its loss and income during events that cause are disruptions to the normal course of business. Next, on the intermediaries in insurance business and insurance intermediaries and means individual and agent corporate agents and including banks and brokers and they intermediaries and between the customers and the insurance company and insurance intermediary also includes and surveyors and their party and administrators, but these intermediaries are not involved in procurement of business. The meaning of business interruptions insurance. Insurance intermediaries are brokers or agents and who represents consumers in insurance and transactions. They are contracted with multiple insurance and companies so they can focus on matching and their clients' needs with the most suitable insurance products. Now, definition of the business interruptions and insurance. According to the business interruptions insurance to IRDA Act 1999 under sections 21F of Act states intermediary or insurance intermediary and includes insurance brokers and reinsurance brokers and reinsurance brokers and insurance consultants and surveyors and losses associations. Now, let us discuss classification of insurance intermediaries. Depending on the manner in which insurance intermediaries and functions in a marketplace, two main groups of them can be distinguished. Now, different forms of intermediaries. The first one is insurance agents and second is the insurance brokers and bench uh, bank cons, bank cases, case insurance and micro insurance agents. The first one is insurance agents. Insurance agents, they are enti- they are entitled and to the lead business and transactions on brief on behalf of insurance companies, and insurance agents speak for the insurance and during the insurance process, and they generally compile and with the regulations of an agencies and agreement with the insurance. An agent can work in different forms. The independent cooperating with several companies. Next, exclusive, also called cooperative, and the agents or direct and vendors, and they are cooperating with only one particular insurance company. Next, self-employed and insured employed, and second is the insurance broker. They are the entities and that usually perform insurance services for policyholders and are independent on the insurers, and brokers supports and agents their clients and with the choosing the most suitable insurance alternative in order to place and coverage for the clients. And insurance brokers tend to work and with multiple companies. Bancassurance insurance is the partnership or relationship between a bank and an insurance company, whereby the insurance company uses the bank and sales and channel in the order to sell insurance products. And Bancassurance insurance in India. In the year 2002, the banks of India were permitted and to do insurance business for the first time. It is regulated by the both RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and RDA, as it is combinations of banks and insurance. It is a win and stationaries. For example, SBI Life Insurance Company Unlimited has tied up with SBI. Thank you. This sessions is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, and we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.